30 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 5-way cut, absolutely perfect. If you take a look inside of the Smart Wood Shop, you'll recognize very quickly that I have a collection of TSO tools. Those are the blue ones that are beautifully machined, very precise, and leverage the work I do primarily with my track saw. I use all the TSO tools I have that you see here. In fact, that's why they're on the outside and they have their own little storage place, so they're easy for me to grab exactly what I need. There's one tool that actually led me to TSO in the very beginning, and it's the one tool that I use more than all the others. And if you took all of my TSO away and said I could only have one, this would be the tool that I would grab. If you have a track saw, this is a must. This will leverage your track more than any other accessory that you can get for it. In fact, this may be as valuable as the track itself. I use this on all my tracks, the short one, the medium one, and the long one. No tools required. Their patented clamp snaps right on. No adjustment, no alignment, no calibration. Perfect 90 every time. $30 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 5-way cut, absolutely perfect. And that's it. Slide it on, lock it on, and you're ready to make a perfect square every time. If you have a track saw and you'd like to get TSO's guide rail square for yourself, I will put a link in the description of this video down below. It's an affiliate link, so TSO will pay us a little commission, but they won't charge you any extra. And this is their Memorial Day weekend sale starting today and going through Monday. Stay safe in your Smart Wood Shop. See you in the next one. Mahalo.